Hey guys, welcome back. First things first, thanks for 150 subscribers. This video is going to be one of the Diwali specials. Another video will be uploaded today. Do like, share and subscribe. I am also planning to start a gaming channel, so support it too. I will update you guys as soon as I create it. Most of us know that 14th November is Diwali this year, but we forget that it's Children's Day. This video is about Children's Day. Grab your snacks and let's get into the video without wasting your time. So, Children's Day. It is actually celebrated as the birthday of our country's first Prime Minister, Sri Jawaharlal Nehru. The history of Children's Day in India. First, Children's Day was celebrated on 20th November. This was until the death of our first Prime Minister, Sri Jawaharlal Nehru. Now, in 2018, after Sri Narendra Modi became Prime Minister, 16 members of his party asked Children's Day to be celebrated on 26 December. However, this was denied. Now, we saw about India's Children's Day, but we have to see about the world's Children's Day. History of the world's Children's Day. Children's Day was actually originated around the world on the second Sunday of June in 1857 by Dr. Charles Leonard, a pastor of a church in Chelsea. Now, let's see the world dates for Children's Day. Second Saturday of January is Thailand's Children's Day. First Sunday of March is New Zealand's Children's Day. Second Sunday of June is United Kingdom's Children's Day. 12th October is Brazil's Children's Day. Now, celebrate Children's Day happily and safely. Thank you. Jai Hind.